All right, Neeraj sir, my God, goosebumps galore. I can't tell you. I cannot tell you that feeling after watching the trailer.
I hope you guys liked it. It was by and large meant for an audience, and I hope they like it.
So, first biopic on Captain Cool in the country.
I hope there's only one.
I hope, and there should be only one. The kind of pressure or the kind of thing that you went through while making the film. Like, what was going on through your system?
No pressure at all. I mean, it's a fabulous story. It was all in place. He's already lived that life, so it was pretty much easy to just put it on paper and then go ahead. I think Sushant here had a tougher job to do. He had to transform himself into, model himself into this personality next to him. And thankfully, he was by default not doing anything at that point of time. And he had the time and the appetite to sort of work hard, train hard, and deliver what you guys saw just on the screen.
But so very importantly, what are the things? It says the untold story. So what did you discover? Something that we don't know.
We would like
हमें
you
क्या
to
नहीं
go
पता?
see the film to see the untold story.
सर एक ऐसा कुछ आपको पता चला है जो किसी को नहीं पता है.
मतलब how do you want? अगर मुझे पता चल गया तो मैं आपको अभी बता दूं.
हाँ थोड़ा सा आप बता सकते हैं हमारी जनता. I'm sure you all want to know a small glimpse.
Okay, he's not that big a milk lover as you guys think he is. I mean, he's not that.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sure.
Well, the moment. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, ladies and gentlemen. So it's been 24 hours. So first of all, honor, privilege to stand in front of you. I think I am very nervous right now. But so 24 hours. So you've done the city tours and more than 1,500 kilometers. How does it feel with the kind of euphoria that you get everywhere that you go?
Well, to start off, sorry to keep you guys waiting. There were. So, sorry for that. The moment he mentioned 24 hours, I was like, no, we didn't delay it for 24 hours. So, you guys are not waiting for 24 hours. But, yes, to start off, sorry for the delay. And as far as the promotion of the movie is concerned, yes, we have been to 3 different cities, including Mumbai now. And the kind of response what we have got so far is just fantastic. Jalandhar was brilliant, followed by Delhi, former school of Sushant. And I feel we have got very good reception each and everywhere. As far as going through the process is concerned, it's very tough. Frankly speaking, the only good thing, we don't have to walk 1,500 kilometers. You have flights and you can take all of that. But yes, a lot of things get delayed because of the weather and everything. But as far as just the promotion is concerned, I'm very happy that I'm part of it. I have time to be part of it. And more than that, hats off to all the film stars, who do it on a regular basis, and they actually do it for 15, 20 days before the start of the movie, before the movie gets launched. So I think it's a fantastic effort on their side, and we all need to appreciate it, that the amount of effort they put in, leave getting into the character part, acting and everything, it's just that the amount of effort that is put in to make a movie successful,
So आपने reception के बारे में बताया, दिल्ली जलंधर के बारे में, लेकिन आमची मुंबई तो आमची मुंबई है भाई. Hey Mumbai, you're not doing well here. Come on.
Mumbai is a very special place.
Hey, one second. Mumbai is a very special place. From Captain, hold on.
Mumbai, if you see, is a very special place. 2007 World Cup, T20 World Cup, when we won, we came back to Mumbai, and quite a few of us from England, we went to South Africa to play the T20. And once we were coming back, we had won the tournament, we were coming back, and it was almost over 3 months. So, that anxiety of being with the family is there. So, we are about to land, and I think it was very cloudy, it was raining heavily. And we knew that, we had like a march where we were supposed to go from the airport to the stadium. And I told all my friends, you know what, it seems we'll get an early flight home. Because I thought in the kind of rain, that nothing will happen, we'll be at the airport, we'll be able to catch the flight home to respective places and we'll be off. But I was completely wrong. We just got out of the aircraft. Before immigration, there were people. And when I talk about people, lots of people. I had the trophy in my hand. It was a very heavy trophy. It was the first edition. It must be one of the heaviest trophy. I was holding it in my right hand. We started walking. I had to put it like that. And after a while, I realized it's too heavy to carry. But there's so many people, I couldn't lift it up. So it was like that till we crossed immigration and we boarded the bus. And right from the airport till the Wankhede Stadium, there were people on both the sides of the road, and they were so happy. A lot of them would have missed their flight, but still, the cars were parked, all of them were outside, and they had a smile on their face. That's an amazing feeling, because that was the first time you saw like a swarm of people, and all of them were happy. It was raining, the mobile phones were out, everybody was clicking pictures and everything. So that was the 2007. I don't think I need to talk about 2011. But it's just that, we are a bit late for here. So that whole thing of, Mumbai, it actually slipped. And I was more concerned about, being late for the launch.
Come on, guys, let's give it oh, come on, that is awesome, man. So, generally, Neeraj sir makes very real films and all of that. And there is a big responsibility of portraying your life. आपकी जो पूरी life story है इस film के जरिए. आपको कैसे लगता है ये जो अमेलगमेशन हुआ है फिल्म का और आपकी लाइफ का, आप थोड़े से वरिड हैं, कैसे लग रहा है आपको, क्या फीलिंग है?
No, I'm not worried at all. I have confidence in all the crew who has worked in the movie, Neeraj especially, right from the start. The good thing was we were on the same page. Because I've seen quite a few of his movies, and I like how he puts things on screen. And I think right from the very start, we were clear, we don't want to make a movie which, makes me a hero or glamorizes me. It was more about the journey so that people can, relate to it, because we all go through almost the same thing. Okay, everybody doesn't play for India, but at the end of the day, to reach your mark, you have to struggle in life. And, it's all circumstantial, small decisions that you have to make that actually has a big impact in life. So it's all about that, the small things. Yes, people know a lot about me. I played football. I was from a particular school. I got a job with the railways, and I moved on and all of that. But what happens in between that is what really, pushes me or transforms me to what actually I am today. So the movie is more about the journey and, how I deal with everything, because I keep saying, be in the present, but the movie in a way will actually show what all happened that actually helped me be in the present, or that taught me to be in the present, and how being in present really helped me. It's a bit awkward, to watch your own movie, movie that's made on you. It's a bit awkward, to be frank, but at the same time, I felt I was not the person who was very nervous. It has to be Sushant. The reason being, let's say, अच्छा जैसा बात करें, मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ सुशांत के ऊपर प्रेशर है कि किसी मैच के सिचुएशन की बात करें कि लेट्स से हम कोई मैच हार गए, तो मेरा एक्सप्रेशन क्या होगा? मैं ऐसे बैठा रहूँगा, दो चार बार अपनी दांतों को ग्राइंड करूँगा, थोड़ा सोचूंगा, बस दैट्स इट. बट अगर सुशांत मूवी में ऐसे काम करता है, तो यू कैन इमेजिन पूरे जो मूवी का ड्यूरेशन होगा वो ऐसे ही बैठा रहेगा. सो सुशांत के लिए ज़्यादा मुश्किल था कि उसको बाहर निकालना है और ऑडियंस को बिलीव कराना है कि मैं अंदर से ऐसा फील कर रहा था, जिसके लिए इसने मुझे बहुत कुरेदा है कि उस समय कैसा फीलिंग था, इस समय कैसा फीलिंग था. मैं बोला यार तुम सवाल ही पूछते रहते हो. रियलिटी है कि मैं नहीं, रियलिटी है कि हमने बहुत कम टाइम स्पेंड किया साथ में, बट इसने जिस तरीके का एफर्ट डाला है, क्योंकि एक पार्ट क्रिकेट भी था, तो ऑफ कोर्स हर कोई हम लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, बट जब स्क्रीन में आपको प्रेजेंट करना पड़ता है तो आपको सर्टेन चीज़ें सीखनी पड़ती हैं, स्पेशली अगर क्रिकेट से रिलेटेड हो तो क्रिकेटिंग शॉट्स वगैरह खेलने पड़ते हैं.
सर हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट सर.
सो मूवी में इसने हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट भी मारा है, एंड इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक अ रेप्लिका. सो बहुत एफर्ट डाला है सुशांत ने.
सर ने कहा कि आप इनके पीछे पड़े थे इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए. किस टाइप की रिसर्च हुई यहाँ पर?
मैंने पहली बार एमएस को थोड़ा सा अपना कूल जो है वो खोते हुए देखा था।
आपका प्रोमो मिल गया।
हाँ, पहले 2-3 दिन जब मैं इनके साथ था और मैं बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा था, बहुत ही कामली पेशेंटली विद अ स्माइल वो सारे आंसर्स कर रहे थे। लेकिन एक बार बोलते यार एक तुम क्वेश्चंस बहुत पूछते हो और मैं आता हूँ 2 मिनट में एंड
सुशांत भाई, ऐसा क्या हुआ था? मतलब क्या कुछ हुआ था ऐसा स्पेसिफिक? मतलब क्या पूछा था आपने?
नहीं मैं बस एक ही क्वेश्चन को अलग अलग तरीके से बार बार पूछ रहा था। मेरी आदत
अच्छा अच्छा, क्रॉस
ऐसे एक बार पूछता था, फिर उसको ना बाएं से पूछता था, आंसर अगर सिमिलर हो तो अच्छा सच बोल रहा है, फिर नेक्स्ट सवाल पे जाता था। एंड आई टोल्ड यू इट वाज अ बिट ऑकवर्ड, इनिशियली थोड़ा ऑकवर्ड है टू स्पीक अबाउट योरसेल्फ कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मुझे वैसा लगता है। एक आध क्वेश्चन ठीक है, जब वो 15 मिनट हो जाते हैं लगता है ये मैं कर रहा हूँ। So I was like, मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए, मैं जा रहा हूँ, थोड़ी देर में आऊँगा।
We're going to have a photo op session now with Mahi and Sushant. So,
सुशांत का चयन करने से पहले आपके जहन में कहीं MS धोनी का भी नाम था इस रोल के लिए?
नहीं, वो क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं ना अभी, उनको खेलने देते हैं। उस समय तो वो रिटायर भी नहीं हुए थे टेस्ट से। एंड बिटवीन इफ आई वाज हैविंग अ चॉइस ऑफ चूजिंग ओवर MS द क्रिकेटर और MS द एक्टर, आई वुड हैव प्रेफर्ड MS द क्रिकेटर।
सर मुझे ये पूछना है कि कौन सा पार्ट आपको ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट लगा? आप MS धोनी का किरदार निभा रहे हो, तो एज अ आर्टिस्ट आपको कौन सा पार्ट ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट लगा होमवर्क करने में?
मुझे डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगा, मुझे बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया। कुछ महीने लगे सब कुछ सीखने में। इतना सीखा कि मैंने खुद को हर दिन ऐसा कुछ घंटे होते थे जब मैं अपने आप को कन्विंस कर लेता था कि मैं कैरेक्टर हूँ। तो इस सोच से हमने शुरू किया और सर ने जिस तरीके से गाइड किया मैं बस चलता गया और फिल्म आपके सामने आप देखेंगे।
Boss, MS satisfied seeing you performing himself, or how was his reaction seeing you?
आपके सामने थे आप।
What did personally complimented you? How was it? We did not.
अभी हम लोग फ्लाइट में आ रहे थे तो मैंने उनको एक वीडियो दिखाया था जो ट्रेनिंग वीडियो था, जिसमें मैं उनके जैसा उन जो टिपिकल शॉट्स वो जो पुश करते हैं, जो हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट खेलते हैं, जो विप करते हैं, वो सब खेल रहा था। तो वो देखे और बहुत ही स्माइल करके बोलते यार ये तो एकदम फोटो कॉपी कर दिया है तुम, तो अच्छी बात है ये।
Personal level, did you learn anything?
I can't hear you bro, sorry.
On a personal note, on a personal level, did you learn anything from him?
Of course I've learned, and that's why there were many things before I got this film that I was hugely, immensely inspired by, and there were many things that I wanted to understand vis-a-vis Mahi is concerned, and that's precisely the reason why I did the film. Of course, but cricket is just one aspect of the film. Through cricket, we are not showing anything, but yes, cricket is one of the one of the things that we are using in order to tell you what the man is, who the man is. So basically, cricket was important because in order to convince the audience that I am MS, so I have to play shots like him. So obviously, there were lots of time that I invested in playing shots like him. I got injured, obviously, but that's what you do when you try to cultivate a new skill at my age. But yeah, but then worth it. You liked this trailer, and that's what we wanted. Well, it happened to me I think in the second or the third day of the training when Kiran Morisa, he was my trainer, and he asked me to wicket keep. And I always thought it's a very easy job. Let me be very honest. I always thought, oh, you just have to catch the ball if you have very good eyesight and your reflexes are good, so you can catch the balls. But let me tell you, in 30-40 seconds, I could not sit in that posture for like 10 seconds. I got backaches, I got cramps on my quads and everything, and it was so difficult. I can't tell you, I broke my finger. I had bruises all over my hand, and it's such a tough job. So yes, now I have immense respect for all the cricketers who play and at this level, and yeah. So
सुशांत, मेरे दो सवाल है आपसे। एक तो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो दैट जो ये हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट जो एक्चुअली उन्होंने बताया रेप्लिका, हाउ मेनी डेज इट टुक फॉर यू to learn that shot, and it was really very good you played. और second है कि I saw your body language when you were Mahi was here, and the body language changed when the Mahi went away. What was it like? Were you nervous that time when Mahi was around?
Right now?
No, when Mahi was here right now.
बॉडी लैंग्वेज चेंज हो गई मेरी?
Yeah,
मुझे
body language changed because that time
नहीं
you were
नहीं,
very.
उस समय मैं बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल चेयर पे बैठा हुआ था. अभी अरुण सर ने वो चेयर ले लिया है और मेरा
Sir,
चेयर
chair is same only, sir.
Just because of this, otherwise I'm completely the same
Oh,
person.
you were nervous.
It's a wobbly chair. So ये जो फिजिटी है ये चेयर की वजह से मैं बिल्कुल काम हूँ अंदर से.
Okay. and
और
my-
हेलीकॉप्टर
helicopter.
शॉट की जहाँ तक मैं बात करता हूँ तो वो कुछ पहले कुछ 2-2.5 महीने लगे, क्योंकि मेरा एक जो हेयरलाइन फ्रैक्चर हो गया था मेरे एक रिब में स्टाइल मारने के चक्कर में, तो उसके लिए कुछ 15-20 दिन का गैप हो गया. नहीं तो 2-2.5 महीने में मैंने सीख लिया था.